Erling Haaland doesn't just score goals, he destroys nets, left foot, right foot, headers, one-touch finishes. He's a machine. But what really makes Haaland deadly isn't just strength or size. It's the way he reads the game, positions himself, and finishes with absolute confidence. In this video, you're going to learn how to finish like Erling Haaland, step by step, so you can become a clinical finisher and goal threat every time you play. Let's begin with positioning, the secret behind Haaland's goal scoring. He doesn't just stand and wait. He's constantly on the move, drifting between defenders, staying on the blind side, always one step ahead. You can train this by practicing off-the-ball movement. Focus on creating space before the pass is played. Make diagonal runs. Time your movement so you arrive at the right spot, not too early, not too late. Next, one-touch finishing. Haaland rarely takes more than 1 or 2 touches inside the box. His mindset is, see the ball, strike the ball, no hesitation. To develop this, set up finishing drills where you shoot with just one touch. From different angles and distances, use both feet. Focus on clean contact, not power. Now let's talk body shape and balance. Haaland's body is always ready. His knees are bent, his torso is forward, and he's balanced. This allows him to explode into the ball with control. To improve this, train with shooting in motion after a sprint, after a sharp turn, after contact. Learn to shoot while off balance, because in real games, you won't always be standing still. One of Haaland's signature moves is the power strike with minimal backlift. He doesn't need a big swing. He hits the ball with the top of his foot, straight through it, generating speed with technique and leg drive. You can train this by standing close to the ball and hitting it with your laces while keeping the swing short and compact. Let's break it down step by step. 1. Position yourself early. Move into space, not toward the ball. 2. Shoot quickly, don't overthink. 3. Use both feet to eliminate weakness. 4. Compact shooting form, short backlift, explosive finish. 5. Stay alert, rebounds, deflections, second chances. Another key element, anticipation. Haaland scores because he reads where the ball will go before it gets there. He predicts rebounds, loose balls, and bad touches from defenders. Practice reacting to unpredictable passes. Set up drills where the ball comes from different directions, at random speeds, and you must finish instantly. Finally, the mindset. Haaland finishes with confidence. He believes the ball is going in every time. You must train your mind just like your body. Visualize the ball hitting the net. Eliminate fear of missing. Focus only on the result, the goal. To finish like Erling Haaland, you need smart positioning, one-touch shooting, body control under pressure, power with both feet, killer instinct, and confidence. Pick one part of this video, like one-touch finishing, and train it every day this week. Keep it simple. Repetition builds instinct, and instinct is what separates finishers from scorers. Thanks for watching. If you want more breakdowns of world-class footballers, subscribe and leave a comment. Who should we do next? Maybe Mbappe's speed, Benzema's movement. You decide. Now get out there and start finishing like Haaland.